So now once you're ready, just come onto your knees and placing your elbows really firm and nice. Interlock your fingers and take a few deep breaths. Curl back your toes, and as you exhale, just slowly lift your knees and hips away from the mat. And putting your head down, breathe normally. Inhale and exhale. Make sure your breath is really normal. So do this posture repetitively to gain the benefits. Once you're ready, slowly exhale, putting your knees down, relaxing your toes, and relax in child's pose.
So you're going to sit in Vajrasana, and from here you're going to take your hands in your all fours. Again, your shoulder and your arm in one line, and your hips and your knees in one line. Now tuck your toes. You come up in high plank. When you come up in high plank, if you feel your shoulder is not in line with your wrist, you have to walk slightly back depending upon the length of your limbs. And you stay strong here. So in your high plank, do not arch your back, do not push your hips up. So start from your high plank with your stomach sucked in, your thighs very tight and squeezed in, and your arms straight. Now from here, the first variation is to drop your knees. So your shoulder and your palm is in one line, but my knee and my hips are not in one line. My knee is slightly back from my hips. From here, you have to use your control and strength of your arms to go forward. So bend your elbows slightly and see where you have the strength. If your strength is only until here, you stop here and you come back. This takes a lot of time to practice. So draw your stomach in and go with your elbows bent and close to your body and chest closer to the floor. Stay here. As you inhale, you come back up. This is the first variation. The second variation, or the final posture, is going to be from here, from your plank. So you're not going to push your chest down, hips up. You're not going to do anything. You're going to go like a stick. Your upper body on the top of high plank, it's going to be like a stick, and you're going to go straight down to the floor. Bend your elbows, squeeze your stomach, shoulders open, stay here, and slowly relax. So the most common mistakes in this people will do is keeping your knees down. The first variation, you try to go with your chest down and your hips up. No, your body should be in one straight line. So just go straight down here. And the second mistake they will do is going to the floor flat. So that you also have to avoid. If you cannot do until even the first variation, you stay here. Squeeze your arms, stay here, come back up.
From a comfortable sitting posture, come into the box position. Keep the wrists directly under the spine, under the shoulders, the knees in line with the palms, directly under the hip. The movement is only in the back and not in the limbs. As you inhale, you drop the back down, the head up. Exhale, you arch your back up, look at your knees. Inhale, exhale. You can continue to do this how many ever times you feel like. Inhale and exhale. Sit back whenever you feel like there is too much pressure on your wrist. You can practice this asana how many ever times a day you feel like, and you can practice this asana safely right through your pregnancy.
Ustrasana, camel pose. Start with placing the hand on the hip and gently arch back. Stabilize your shoulder blades and slowly with control release your palms of your hip and try to reach for your heels. Use your back muscles to hold the posture, keeping your butt muscles tight. Take slow 5 deep breaths in this position. Now inhale, slowly place your hand on the hip, use your abdominal muscles and come back to the starting position. Rest on your heels, bring your forehead down and relax in child's pose.